Hey y'all, so let's make some whole wheat spaghetti. I got my marinara sauce, which I have two, just in case one isn't enough. I usually use green peppers, but I don't have any, so I'm about to use this red pepper. Got my onion. This is the whole wheat spaghetti. I have my seasonings over here, which is garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and I'm just gonna use some onion powder, and then I'm gonna use this to season my ground turkey, which I'm not about to use all of this ground turkey. I'm probably just gonna use half, but yes, this is about to be a quick and easy dinner, so let's get to it. So I got my ground turkey cooking, got my bell pepper, with my red pepper and my onions diced, my pot of water for my noodles, waiting for it to start boiling so I can put them in there. And I just gotta let this cook a little bit, and then I'm gonna add my seasonings and my onion and my red pepper in there. So I have my marinara sauce in there, and I am not adding no ricotta cheese, none of that, because this is just, I just want this to be a real quick, simple, easy spaghetti meal. I don't feel like doing all that. Plus, I don't even have any ricotta. I know some people add sugar in theirs. I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar, which this is blended brown sugar. And my noodles are already in the pot, just waiting on them to get done, and this meal is almost done. So my noodles are almost done. And our spaghetti is done.